Who am I? I am a wife, a mom, a student, and while doing all of this, I have very little of this. So follow me to learn how to make the most of your time and money while becoming a healthier family. Hey guys, it's Leslie here, and Ben and I have decided to try and start couponing. Now, this is something we worked on about all week. We watched videos, tried to do the math, tried to figure it all out. The first one we did this morning was the part that was on the right hand side. Now, we learned some very valuable lessons with this. When I rang up the first order, I immediately put my phone number in for my digital coupons. I had some printed. I had a 5 off 25, and I had my digital coupons. On top of that, I also had instant savings. So the first thing is the instant savings that I had today was the Febreze. They were $5 each. And if you spent $12, you got $2 off. So that had an instant $2 savings. And then the Pine Sol and the Snuggle, they were, if you spent $15, you saved $5. And this Angel Soft, I didn't have any coupons. I just needed it. But I went ahead and bought the same thing again later on this evening on Ben's phone number. Just because I thought I figured out the key to it. And I did, for the most part. What you have to do with this is you have to ring up your items first. Do not put your phone number in. Ring up your items and make sure that your instant savings come off. And make sure, because you need to know what the total is going to be after instant savings. My instant savings after that, it should have been $27.75 or something like that. And then I did my $5 off 25 that was on a receipt from earlier in the week. And then I did my printed coupons, which I had $1 off the Snuggle and 75 cents off of Pine Sol. Well, this morning when I did it, it went really, really weird. Nobody could figure out what had happened, and if you make a mistake, you cannot void the item. You will lose all your digital coupons. So, lesson learned there. The other thing that I did this morning was in the paper, it had the Snuggle and all, and it was only for the Snuggle that you see here, not the original Snuggle. So that didn't count in my initial purchase. So I had to trade it all out, lose the coupons that I had done. Anyway. So this morning when I did it, I spent $23.17 on everything that's on the right hand side. So I figured out what I thought needed to be done, and it actually worked. You're always going to make a mistake on your first try of doing pretty much so anything, and you just need to learn from those mistakes. I had my order rang up, and the girl asked me if I wanted to go ahead and put my phone number in. I said, no, let's just do my total first. So my total came up right after tax. It was like 29 something. I gave her the 5 off 25 coupon. And then I gave her my 2 printed coupons. Now, it wouldn't take my coupons for I don't know what reason. But she was good about it. She typed in my the manufacturer's coupons. I had, again, I had the 75 cents off Pine Sol, and I had the $1 off Snuggle. After that, I put in my phone number, and all my other coupons came off. I had $4 off of 2 Febreze ones, $1.50 off the Downy. I had another $1 coupon off Snuggle, and I had $2 off to Alls. Now, I did learn a little bit more tonight when I did this because I knew my amounts were still not quite right. I was off by about $3. Not too bad for my first try. Well, actually, technically, second try. First of all, the ad showed 2 for $6 for the All and Snuggle. And you can only do that one time. It doesn't give you the 2 for $6. It was $3.95 for 1 All and 1 Snuggle after that. So that accounted for some of it. And then one of my digital coupons did not come off for the Snuggle. I'm assuming because I had the paper coupon already. So, but anyway, the differences between this morning and this evening were pretty good. This morning I paid $23.17. The original subtotal before all the coupons and discounts this morning was $38.55. So then I spent $23.17. So, I saved 15 some odd dollars there. And then this evening, again, the total, which I could not figure out that there was the issue with buying the second All and Snuggle. If I did, I would have probably changed it. My initial subtotal was $38.55 again. I spent $16.88. So my total, or my savings, was a little over $22 at that one. It says $23.15. I'm not really sure how they're getting that, but what I can gather is like $26. I mean, $22. But don't get discouraged. I was really bummed out this morning with our first purchase. The people at Dollar General, they were really nice. I mean, the manager kept trying to figure it out and kept trying to figure it out. But, it was my first time. But I thought about it throughout the day, and I was like, I wanted to give it another try. And the only way I would be able to tell if it was the way I thought it would be was to honestly just do a complete and total do-over on it. So I'm actually pretty happy with it. You're going to learn these things as you go. And by all means, if you have any other tips, comment below. Tell me. If you have a video on it, I think you can share a link in the comments below as well. I'm really wanting to learn how to coupon, and I think the best way to learn how to coupon is through other people. Learn what other people have learned as well. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.